Thanks for checking out Scotties Hobbies. Welcome back to Scotties Hobbies, hopefully. The other day I posted a video of unboxing this Seesii extended ratchet. Said I was going to give this thing a try, and I did. I did a tune-up, a couple tune-ups, but the one I tried it on was, or the first one I tried it on was on a Toyota Corolla. Not too many nuts and bolts to loosen up with this thing, but I did give it a try on that. It worked very well. The battery lasted the whole time, the single battery. I probably used it for probably 45 minutes on the first car and maybe an hour on the second car on the same battery. And you could tell on the side right here, when you use it, you can see this is your battery life. Green means good, yellow means it's running out, and red means go ahead and get your other battery that's been charging while you're using it and replace it. But it never died on me. So brand new battery. Hopefully the battery holds its charge. I did have somebody comment on the unboxing video that they purchased another one of these ratchets, not the extended one, but from the same brand, and the battery was the only iffy part. Maybe they've gotten a little bit better on that, and let's hope they did. I'll give this thing a few more tries, and I'll post a updated video or updated review video later on, so make sure to like, subscribe, and share right now so you can find my other videos. I do a lot of unboxing videos, testing stuff out, and I have a ton of automotive DIY maintenance videos in the library, so check that out as well. But again, this thing right here, tested it out, gave it a try, 3/8 extended ratchet, worked out pretty darn well for me. It got the spark plugs right out of the hole, and when I'm installing spark plugs, I didn't use this, I did it by hand just so I don't over tighten or cross thread, but this thing, it worked out pretty darn good. I can't complain about it. I don't have any complaints about it. It's actually pretty heavy, not too heavy to make my arms tired, but it seems really good made. So this Seesii extended 3/8 ratchet, I'm gonna go ahead and say for 90 bucks, I recommend this thing. If you're not using your Milwaukee tools, I'm a Milwaukee man, but I'm gonna add this into the power tool library I got, and I'll be using this thing and updating you guys about it. So take a look at it. If you guys end up buying one of these, make sure. If you guys end up buying this, let me know below that you purchased one. It's pretty nice to know that you guys use my videos to make a decision on purchasing your tools. And let me know how it went. Let me know your yays and nays about this thing. And again, I'll be updating more videos or uploading more videos on an update about this when I use it more often, when I start going through these batteries a little bit more, if I end up doing so. Thanks for checking out Scotties Hobbies. If this video helped you out, make sure to like, subscribe, and share. Thanks for taking your time to watch me, and I appreciate every one of you guys. Hopefully I'll see you guys on the next, hopefully helpful video.